Right, we walk around and start up with a Monster. As we can see, we've got typical high quality Ducati 90s wiring. Now, as much as I'm going to start this up, I'm not revving the guts at it, and I'm not letting it run for ages, because this thing hasn't been on the road for 5 years. So it's going to need the belts done before anything really happens, before she really goes anywhere. It's nice enough. I mean, it needs a machine polish, would bring up the paintwork a lot nicer. A couple of wee touch-ins here and there, obviously. I mean, these things can be bad for the bar sitting if you drop them. And then we have the usual marks all around about the ski catch where the thing actually, the keys bounce around all the time, you know, nothing you can really do about that. And that fuel smells bad. We've got some new indicators to go on this. That'll do that now. I don't want to run it too much to change the timing belts. So new indicators, we tidy up. I've got better mirrors than that to fit this as well. And a service. And we'll see how this little thing comes up, and you can come along for the journey.